Solar consultant, welcome to the Run with Solar marketing system. My name is Joe Dickinson. I'm the creator of this system. Super excited you're here. So first things first, before I teach you all the bells and whistles of the system and all that good stuff, let's just get some leads going. So I'm going to show you how to drive traffic to one of the funnels in your marketing system. It's the Solar giveaway funnel. If you've seen it already, great. Or if you just got started with this software, just a few minutes ago and you're watching this training video, it's all good. I want to start getting walking you through how to get ads running to your pages now so you can have leads coming in while you learn all the other bells and whistles, etc. So on the back side of this video, there's about 30 minutes or so, but I walk you through step by step how to set up a Facebook page if you haven't yet, how to get an ad account set up, how to start running ads to these funnels, specifically this giveaway funnel, so you can start generating leads, calling these leads, setting up appointments, and closing more deals. So with that being said, watch this video in just a second, and then after you get these ads going, so in theory, in like 35-40 minutes, you should have your ads ready and they should be under review from Facebook to look at. Once they're approved, they'll go live. So go ahead and do that, and then in the meantime, mess around with the system, while you're waiting for ads to review. Watch the additional training videos if you're on the training page. Those will be below me or around me somewhere. Or in the YouTube description, depending on where you're watching this, and let's make it happen. So with that being said, go get those ads set up. We'll see you on the other side. Bye. All right, Run with Solar members, welcome back. This is Joe Dickinson. All right, so in this video, I am going to walk you through step by step how to get your first Facebook ads running to start generating leads for your solar business. If you've run ads before and you know what we're talking about, just stick with me. If you haven't, this video is definitely for you. I'm going to walk you through from A to Z how to set up a Facebook page very quickly, how to get your ad account set up, and then ultimately how to grab the done for you ads in this software that you're now subscribed to be able to go ahead and get these ads rocking and rolling. And guys, these ads for our users, both guys and gals who are using it, are seeing some really awesome results with generating leads for really cheap, calling these leads, the leads actually picking up, and then talking solar. And how do we do it? What's one of my favorite ways? Running this giveaway funnel. Now, I proved this concept with a client already. I know it works. Now it's time for you to deploy the ad in your local area or your territory. So here's the deal. Step one, we're going to create a Facebook page if you have not done that already. If you already have a Facebook page that you can run ads from, because you have to run ads on Facebook from a Facebook business page. If you've already done it, you're good. You can skip this step. If you haven't, all you have to do is if you go over into Facebook, and you're going to see tabs at the top here. Now, I'm in two different Facebooks, so I can show you different things. So don't worry about getting confused. But you see these tabs at the top? You're going to simply click on Create, all right? And then you're going to click on Page. And you're going to create a page, whatever you want to call it. You could call it Solar with, your name. You could call it Solar New Jersey. Whatever you want to call it, it's totally up to you. But this will be the page that people will see in their news feed. They'll see the ads coming from this page. It's not a huge deal because if your ads are good enough, most people aren't going to really be going to your Facebook page. They're just going to click the ad and go out to the funnels we have that you're now subscribed to the system to use, right? So don't worry about it too much, but if you haven't done that yet, click Create and then go ahead and create a page. Once that's done, let's go back over here. We're going to create an ads manager account. If you already have an ads manager account set up, in other words, if you have something like this set up already, facebook.com/ads manager, you're golden. If you haven't yet, what you're going to do is if you go into your page once it's created here, all right? And by the way, if you don't have a cover photo or a profile picture, you can just go to a shutterstock.com or a pixabay.com and just grab some imagery for that. This is free, Shutterstock is not. But anyways, you get the idea, just to kind of dress your stuff up. But once you're in here, if we go over to More and we click on Ad Center, I want to show you something. If we go over to All Ads here, you're going to see a little hyperlink that says, Show me more details in Ads Manager. You can click this and it will open up a page that looks like this. You can also just go to facebook.com/ads manager, just be logged into your Facebook account. All right, so once you're here, we're not going to click Create just yet. We got to do something really important, and that's set up a Facebook pixel. Pay attention to me for a second. The reason why we set this up, and let me tell you what a pixel is first so you understand this. A pixel is like a little tracking cookie. So I'll give you a hypothetical. Someone opens up their phone, and they're in your local area, you're running ads, and they're scrolling through Facebook, right? They see your ad, they click on your ad, and they go to or open up the solar giveaway funnel. So, for example, if this was your account, right? Say you were running ads, which you're going to do at the end of this video. Say you're running ads to this page right here. Well, you see this little button right here? It says Facebook Pixel. What's happening is I'm essentially helping Facebook track who is clicking on my advertisements. So if you landed on this link, you would have a little sticker put on you. So now Facebook knows to keep showing this ad to you until you fill out all this information and turn into a lead. All right. So what happens is, check this out. Right now, this little view content event, it's called, is firing. And I'm going to show you how to set this up, but I want you to understand it. So when a user goes here, so say you're running an ad, say I'm running this ad and someone goes here, they click on the info, they fill out all this information. Don't worry about answering the questions or, reading along with me. I just want to show you what happens. What heats your house? Electric, 50 to 100. I know a little bit. Or does your roof get any sun? Yes. Do you know about how solar power works? I know it's supposed to help me save money. Okay, great. Then say I go to put my information in here at this point, right? So I put my name, my email, and my phone number. So let's just do John. Let's just do John at TT Pro. And then we put a phone number in here, which I'm not going to put in right now. But if we did, here, we'll do this. So there we go. Say we do that. And then your lead, right? Me in this case, clicked on submit my entry. Right here, you see what happens? It now shows lead. So what Facebook now knows, because this little pixel code, which I'm going to show you how to set up, is on here, Facebook now knows that that person, John, just turned into a lead. Boom. That's what you want to pay Facebook for. Leads of people who are opting in through your funnel like that. If you don't have your pixel set up, you're not going to be able to collect this data. You're not going to know how much is it really costing me per lead. So you can size up, is this worth it or not? This is incredibly important, and we've coded these pages to work dynamically with your Facebook pixel and only your Facebook pixel. So what we're going to do is the next step right here is we need to create a Facebook pixel. If you already have one, all you have to do is go to your Facebook pixel. All right, so you're going to go grab your pixel ID, and you're going to paste that into your marketing system. And if you don't, hang with me. I'll get to you in 1 second. You're going to click on configure site. You're going to go to my social links. Oh, hold on. We got to sign back in here. I think that's the password. Yep. Okay. And now we're going to go over to configure site, my social links, and then you're going to pop your Facebook pixel right here. All right. So you're going to put your pixel ID, right here. And then your pixel will show up on your pages. If you do not have a Facebook pixel set up ready, no problem. Go to facebook.com/ads manager, or you can go over to your page. So you can get to your page. You can then click on more, click on Ad Center. You can click on all ads, and then you can click on Ads Manager, and you will end up in here. Once you are here, you're going to click on here, and you're going to go over to, see where it says pixels? You're going to click on pixels. And you are going to add a new data source. All right, so you're going to click on add new data source. You're going to click on Facebook pixel. And you're going to name it whatever you want. You might want to name it like Solar Lead Pixel, for example. And then enter your website URL. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to jump back over here. We're going to go into my dashboard. So just click here. See this link right here? Click this sucker open real quick. And then just go ahead and highlight this link right here. So corp.runwithsolar.info. This would be your subdomain. It would say Joe or John or Vivint or whatever your link is, right? So just go ahead and copy this, just this piece of it, okay? And pop it in here. And then click on continue. And right here, we're going to go ahead and we're just going to click cancel because you don't need to do any of this. We did it for you. So click on cancel. Right here, you see Pixel ID? Pop. Grab that Pixel ID, okay? Once you have it, go back over into your back office, go to configure site, go to my social links, pop your app ID right there, I'm not going to overwrite it, but boom, you're going to pop your ID right there, and you're going to click on save, okay? Once you do that, you're good. Your pixel is now on all of your pages. Check this out. Boom, there's your pixel again. What's that mean? If someone goes to this page or any of these pages, Facebook is putting stickers on them, and you want that happening. So make sure you get your pixel set up. All right, so you're good. Your pixel is now set up. Let's go back to our little itinerary here. We have our pixel set up. By the way, if you need, pause this video, do this stuff. If you have questions, of course, at any point, you can certainly reach out to us by just clicking on customer support, sending us a ticket. We'll take care of you, all right? So go ahead and do that. The next thing that we're going to want you get set up with is, we did this, paste your Facebook pixel code. Now we're going to create your first ad. Really cool stuff. So here we go. We're going to go to our ads manager. So once your ads manager is open, yours may look a little bit different. It might look like this. And if it does, it's all good. So see how I have this one open? I'm going to build the ad here, but I want you to know, if you have something like this set up, it's the same thing, all right? So first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on create. Now we're going to just go from scratch. Now you're looking at a screen that looks like this. You're going to want to optimize for conversions, all right? So right over here, you see where it says conversions. We're going to click on that. And campaign name is going to be conversions. You can keep this, that you can change it. Let's do solar giveaway conversions, okay? You don't need to do any of this. Don't worry about it. We're going to click on set up ad account. That all looks good. Ad set name. So an ad set is essentially the audience, right? They're the targeting that you're reaching out to. So for me, I'm in Southern New Jersey, right? So if I want to run my campaign in Southern New Jersey, I'm just going to name my ad set, my audience, Southern NJ. How about that? Now, right here, this is important. See where it says conversion event? We're going to click here, and we're going to click on lead, all right? Now, if you don't see a little green button next to your lead, don't worry about it. You might see a red one next to lead. That's totally cool. What you're doing right here, and it's important you understand this, is you're telling Facebook that you want to optimize your ad campaigns for leads. Remember, this little lead event right here only happens if someone goes through your solar funnel and they go through all the information, they enter their name, their email, and their phone number. Remember I did that? And then I went to this page, entry submitted, and then lead shows up. This only shows up when someone puts their information in. So it's very important for you to optimize in your ads manager, let me go back to it, for leads. You want to pay Facebook for leads. You want Facebook to get your ad working really well. Facebook's smart. They help you advertise, literally. You want your ads to be optimized for leads. You don't just want clicks to your website, right? You want leads, all right? So that's why you want to do that. Now we're going to scroll down. You don't need to worry about dynamic creative. You don't need to worry about offer. Audience. So now it's saying, all right, Joe, we got you. So who do you want to target? Well, what you want to do is you want to focus on people in your area or your territory, right? It makes total sense because if you get leads, you want to be able to set appointments with them. You want to be able to go to their homes. You want to be able to do a virtual appointment. Whatever it is that you do, you want to focus on your territory here. So do I want to target all the United States? No, that'd be way too broad. I'm in New Jersey. I just want to get, Southern New Jersey area, right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click X here. And I'm going to instead include Ocean City, New Jersey is where I'm at. So check this out. See, Ocean City, New Jersey. Oh, that's Jersey City. Ocean City, New Jersey. There we go. See, Southern New Jersey. And it's saying within 25 miles. Well, I can do more than 25 miles. I want my ad to actually go to beyond 25 miles. So let me just go ahead and select up to 35. I can go a little more than that. Let's go to 50. So boom. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to target 50-mile radius in here. Say you want to go more. You can certainly do that. Type in 100. Oh, you know what? Actually, I might not be able to. Hold on a minute. Yeah, 50 is the max. That's totally cool, and here's why. We have Ocean City right here. Oh, let me just X this one out. So we have Ocean City, New Jersey. Say I also wanted to target Northern New Jersey. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab Trenton, for example. and I want to optimize 50 miles within Trenton as well. See what you're doing here? You can get different audiences, and then you can tell Facebook, I only want to serve up or put my ads in front of people in this area. So you go ahead, that looks good for me. Now I'm going to take Trenton off here for now. I'm just going to focus on right here. And now I'm going to do languages. Now I'm going to do English. Ages, 18 to 65. You probably don't want to really target any 18-year-olds because most aren't home buyer or homeowners. You want homeowners, right? So let's change 18 to, I don't know, what do you think? Let's do 24, all right? So, yeah, and you could go up to 30. You could go up to whatever you want. And then 65 plus, English, we're good. So we're going to target people here, all right? Detailed targeting, include people who match. Now, if we didn't put anything in here, Facebook's got about 1.3 million people they can reach out to who just are in this area. I don't really want just anyone in this area though, right? I kind of want to, only get homeowners if I can help it. So I'm going to click on detailed targeting and I'm going to type in homeowner. Now right here, we can select a homeowner as an interest. Look, what this means is this doesn't guarantee the person's a homeowner, but what it does is it increases the chances of you getting in front of homeowners, and here's why. People who are classified as having an interest in home ownership, they might be shopping at areas like Home Depot for home supplies. Now that could certainly mean it was someone renting, doing a repair, but Facebook's going to do their best to get in front of people who have interest in homeowners. So maybe they're looking at different, home financing options or anything related to being a homeowner. Facebook's going to help you get in front of. So check this out. You see how now my audience is 1.3 million people? Well, before that, let's go ahead and click X. Oh, it's still showing 1.3. Hold on one second. That might be because this is a big, no, there we go. Including, this is just an updating, essentially. So once that happens, right, so this is actually going to come down a little bit because it's not 1.3 million people anymore. But you see where it says suggestions? You can go ahead and you can target other interests that Facebook is helping you with. So new house or home improvement. Yeah, we want to target people who are interested in home improvement. They probably own a house, right? Or first time buyer. That's a good one. Or how about new house? That's a good one. So you see how this works? You don't need to select all these. What I like to do is always have an audience between 1 to 3 million people if possible. So go ahead and set up some interests here, all right? And then make sure this box is checked. This is a really good box to check because you're essentially saying, hey, Facebook, help me out if you think that you can get my ad in front of people I'm looking for. You can expand this targeting beyond what I'm telling you right here if it's likely to improve my performance. So say, yeah, Facebook, you could do that. And then we're good to go. All right. At that point, you don't need to worry about connections. You can save this audience if you'd like so you can use it easier later. It's up to you, but it doesn't really matter. Keep automatic placements on. I recommend that. Optimization for ad delivery. Keep it at conversions. Don't worry about cost control. Daily budget. What do you want to spend every single day? I recommend between 10 to 20 bucks a day, to start. You can go less. If you got to start with 10 to 15, that's all good. I wouldn't go less than 10 if you can help it. If you start doing 5, it's just not really much ad spend to play around with. I'm not saying go 100 either. I wouldn't go more than $20 a day to start. I wouldn't. Start with 20, see how your ad is performing. So is it generating leads? How much are you paying per lead? If you like those results, you can always come back in your ads manager and ramp it up, right? So you could spend $300 a day on your ads if your ads are converting, but wait a minute until you see them converting for you, until you see good solid leads coming in. So let's keep it at 20 a day. And I'm going to do run my ad set continuously starting today. All is good. You can keep your conversion window the same. Now we're going to click continue. All right, so we got our ad audience set up. Now it's time to get the ad created. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab the page. Solar, here it is. We're going to use this page right here. So run with Solar, and this you're going to pull up yours. Instagram account, if you have an Instagram account set up already and it's linked to your Facebook, great. If not, you can just keep this blank. You don't need to run it on Instagram. It's up to you. And there'll be another training video on that, so don't worry about it too much. And now we're going to do format. Choose how you'd like to structure your ad. So we're going to go with a single image or video. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go over to our marketing system. And we are going to go to resources and training. And we're going to click on Facebook ads. And we're going to scroll right here. And we're going to look at Facebook ad campaign number 1. And we're going to click on view content. All right, did you catch that? We're going to click on view content. Here we are. Here's your ad creative. Just copy and paste. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab our ad text. See all this? Here it is. We're going to copy this. We're going to go into our ads manager. And we are going to scroll down. Primary text. See this? If you put this in here. This, actually, you know what I'm going to do first? Before I add this in, I'm going to actually put the image in. Let's do this. Let's back up for a second. See where it says media? Click on add media. Click on add image. All right, we're going to now go upload images that you can download right from your system. So let's go over here. Let's go to girl add image. Here's a good one. So if you just click on this button, click on save image as, type it girl add 1. It will save to your browser or save to your computer. All right. Let's check out some of these other ones. That's a cool one. Let's do save image, boy add 1. And you can check these out. That's a cool one, right? So, you know, you can save all of them and create, 6 different ads. I'll show you how to do that in a second, but just check all these out. Get your bill paid, enter to win. And there'll be more ad imagery. By the way, here's an example of one. All right, that's pretty cool. See, this one was doing really well. That's just an example of an ad we ran actually a while ago. So, we got 2 of these set up. So let's go to Ads Manager. And let's add media. And let's do add image. And let's click upload. From here, we are going to search. So I'm going to do boy. Here it is, boy ad. Click on it. And it should be uploading. There it is. Let's upload that other one as well while we're at it. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. And click it. So it's selected. Blue square, click continue. And there we have it. There is our image. Okay. So we got our image. Just give this a second to load. Sometimes Facebook goes a little slow. Come on, load up. Load up. There it is. All right, so see how this is a little messed up? What we're going to do is right over here, you see where it says edit? We're going to click on this. And we are going to do crop, and we're going to click on original. And now, by the way, when we add more ad imagery, you might not even have to worry about doing that. But if you do see your ad getting cut off like that, just go find the one it's messed up in and click edit. So there you go. We have our ad image there. Now, we're going to go back over to here. Click on view content. We got to pop some copy in here. So copy is another word for text. All right, so we're going to click this. Click copy. And right here in our description, we're going to paste that in. See how it got all weird formatted? Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to clean that up. Check this out. See how I'm just doing this here? Oh, sorry, hold on a minute, guys. I actually put that in the wrong box. It should be in primary text, my mistake. So we're going to click it here. Now you see how there's all these spaces? Let's clean that up a little bit. Okay. By the way, you can feel free to edit whatever you want. I mean, I'm just giving you guys ads we've used that have worked in the past, but certainly, see what's going on here. Question 6. Question 7. I'll edit that, by the way, so when you pull it, you won't need to edit it. Now, I have some guys that like to use emojis and such, some guys and gals that are using these ads. So if you want to add like little emojis, like little check marks for Q1 and then a green check, you could do that. If not, just use it the way it is. It'll work. Your giveaway link. All right. So Here's our ad, right? Pretty cool. This is how it'll show. Now, before we edit this stuff, we're going to go over to our marketing system. And we are going to go to My Marketing Pages. We're going to go to Lead Capture. We're going to scroll right here, All New Giveaway Funnel. We're going to open it, and we're going to copy this link. Make sure you click the link open, and then you copy it right here. You see how that works? So we got it. We're going to go over here. And as you can see, click this link. It's totally free to enter. We want to pop our link there. Go here to enter. We want to pop our link here. And then we also want to put our link right here. Okay? Display link, just keep it the way it is. You don't need to worry about anything there. Is there an enter now? Yeah, learn more. So we're going to just keep the button as learn more. All right. Now description, optional. If you ever want to know where this is going to show up on your ad, just start typing like this. And see how it shows up there. Get your bill paid for. So you can do that, and I know some people, and I've done it before, if you click over here and you go to like emojis, you could do like a sun emoji. Click here, click copy, and you could do something like that. So check this out. Get your bill paid for, and then a headline. I like to use the area, so you might want to do calling South Jersey homeowners. Could do something like this. Giveaway South Jersey homeowners, and then maybe we want to put the sun there. Check that out. Boom, pretty cool, huh? Your area here, so we need to go ahead and we need to edit that. South Jersey. By the way, if you do all caps, Facebook may not approve that. They may say, hey, we don't want all capitals. So let's just go ahead and take those off. I'll update this text in your marketing system so you won't need to do this. Pay your bill. Thank you. And then see where it says your area here. Okay. All right, my friends, we're looking good. So we're looking good here. We're set. Facebook Pixel, make sure this is ticked on. We got everything. We got our ad ready. We have our targeting set. Your ad set, or your ad name. So this is just girl image 1. So we might want to make the name of this ad. Maybe we want to do girl image 1, right? And we're going to go down here and we're going to click on confirm. Now, it might, because this ad account is new for the sake of this video, it might ask me to update my payment info. Let's just see if that works. It probably will. Yeah. All right. So here's the deal. I'm not going to move through with this, but if you guys clicked on, actually, you know what? Here, let me just do this real quick. Let me pause it. Give me 1 second. All right. We are back. It's confirming my payment. I just had to block it out for a second. So these ads should now go into review, it's called. Now, this could take up to 24 hours for your ads to go live if it's a brand new ad account. So you see right here where it shows campaigns. It's publishing. Give it a minute just to publish. Boom, solar giveaway conversions. Southern New Jersey is my ad set, my audience. And then here's my first ad. Now, you want to do something cool? By the way, it's in review. So it's in review, it might take 24 hours, you got to just watch it, right? What we can do here is say we want to duplicate this ad because, you know, we really like this other imagery in here. So if we go to marketing tools or resources and training and go to Facebook ads, maybe you really like this guy ad image right here, right? You want to use this one. Or maybe you really like, what's this one? Maybe you really like this one, right? So you click on right here, click save image as, pay bill image. We go back to our ad account here. Here it is. Click on duplicate. Duplicate ad into the original campaign. Yep. Number of copies, just one's cool. Duplicate. And ad name. Well, it's not the girl image anymore. This is actually the plug image. And let's go ahead and let's click on clear all, because we want to clear the imagery. It kept all the text there. We just got to add new media. So we're going to add image. We're going to upload. We're going to grab my plug or my pay bill image here. And we're going to click on continue. As you can see how this one's a little wonky. We're going to click on edit. We're going to click on change or crop, sorry. We're going to click on original, save, and now you're all good. Now let's just see what this preview looks like. Make sure all looks good. South Jersey, want a free chance. Boom, boom, boom. You can edit the copy here. Let's click on publish. Check out what happens here. All right. Check it out in review. And you can do that as many times as you want. If you guys want to duplicate it and add, say, that third image that I showed you. So say you like another image in here. You want to use the, say maybe this one, for example. All good. Say you want to change up some copy. So you want to change the text a little bit. Maybe you don't want to go with that big, long snippet of text, but rather just, South Jersey, we're paying your bill. Click here. The cool thing about this is, guys, you can see all of your ads, let them run for a week, 2 weeks, whatever, but start looking at your data. Start to see how many leads are coming in. The cool thing is you can see what ad imagery is working the best. Because if this girl image is working way better than this one, just shut this one off by clicking on this and keep this one on. If you ever want to adjust your budget, just click on ad sets and click here and change what you want to have the budget to. You can do that anytime you want. And then you can have multiple campaigns set up. So I just wanted to show you in this video how to get your ads set up. Go do this. Go take action. If you have any questions at all through this process, reach out to us with a support ticket or send us a message on Facebook, and we'll make sure to get a hold of you to make sure this is set up right. Because if you set this up right, you're going to be golden. All right? So with that being said, I appreciate you guys. Go get it done. Reach out if you need any help. We'll talk to you in a bit. Bye-bye.